Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 belt sander. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Mini Pneumatic Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Pneumatic. Model number, 1A000006-1. Power source, AC. Sand pad size, 10 by 330 mm. No load speed, 16,500 revolutions per minute. Use, home DIY. Belt grit, 60, 80, 120. Weight, 1,300 grams. Origin, China. Product number 4, 350W Electric Mini Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Consist. Model number, Jonk 34 Wuzij 8. Power source, electricity. Sand pad size, 30 by 380 mm. No load speed, 0 to 10,000 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 350 watts. Rated voltage, 110 volts. Grinding disc diameter, 70 mm. Precision drill chuck, 0.6 to 6 mm. Weight, 2.65 kilograms. Product number 3, Stand Belt Sander. Specifications. Usage, home DIY. Power source, electricity. Rated voltage, 220 volts. Power, 350 watts. Sand belt size, 340 by 30 mm. Origin, China. Product number 2, Tungful Mini Belt Grinding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Tungful. Variable speed, yes. Power source, electricity. Sand pad size, 25 by 330 mm. Rated voltage, 12 volts. Use, home DIY. Speed, 400 to 900 RPM/min. Material, stainless steel. Weight, 1.6 kilograms. Origin, China. Product number 1, Awesome Mini Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Awesome. Model number, BG3202. Variable speed, yes. Power source, electricity. Sand pad size, 533 by 30 mm. No load speed, 7,000 revolutions per minute. Rated input power, 120 watts. Frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Rated voltage, 220 volts to 230 volts. Use, home DIY. Motor, brushed. Weight, 2.95 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.